Hello everyone, in this today tutorial I'm going to show you how to download eFootball on laptop. Firstly, go to the official BlueStacks website and in the search bar type eFootball 2025, then click the correct search result. On the games page, click the Play eFootball on PC button at the top left and download the BlueStacks installer from the website. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks on your computer. Now after installing it, open the emulator and in the app layer, look for the eFootball icon at the bottom or use the search bar within BlueStacks to find it. When prompt, sign in with your Google account and find eFootball, then click install. Wait for the download and installation to complete, and once installed, click the eFootball icon from the BlueStacks home screen and start playing directly on your PC. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.